The 2025 Aston Martin Vantage gets 656 horsepower and a facelift. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise News. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video where the Aston Martin Vantage has been thoroughly updated for the 2025 model year, and in addition to sporting new looks, it has debuted with a significant power increase that lifts the performance to new heights. Now, Aston Martin describes the new model as their most driver-focused and fastest Vantage in the famous nameplate's 74-year history. And a look at the spec sheet suggests that that's exactly what it is. Powering the 2025 Vantage is a thoroughly upgraded 4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 with 656 horses, 590 pound-feet, 800 newton-meters of torque, which is massive gains of 153 horsepower and 85 pound-feet, 115 newton-meters of torque over the old model. Now, the firm's engineers have managed to increase the grunt by so much thanks to modifications to the V8 cam's profiles, optimizations made to the compression ratios, the fitment of larger turbochargers, and increasing cooling. Coupled with the engine is a familiar 8-speed ZF automatic transmission driving the rear wheels and allowing the car to hit 60 miles per hour, 96 kilometers in 3.4 seconds, while powering through 202 miles per hour, 325 kilometers for the top speed. Now, aiding the car's improvement acceleration is a new launch control system and an adjustable traction control system. Now, plenty of other performance improvements have been made. For example, the front body crossmember has been redesigned and repositioned. There is more lateral strength between the rear suspension towers, and intelligent adaptive dampers have been fitted. Now, Aston Martin says these new dampers provide an inherently sporting feel while leaving room to introduce progressive, tighter body control. And they are paired with a refined electronic power assisted steering system. Now, all 2025 Vantages will come standard with 21-inch forged wheels wrapped in bespoke Michelin Sport 5S tires measuring 275/35 up front and 325/30 at the rear. You have cast iron brake discs that are also standard, while carbon ceramic brakes are an optional extra, but don't just improve performance, also save 27 kilograms worth of unsprung weight. Now, there's plenty of electronic trickery going on as well. For example, there is an advanced vehicle dynamics control system and electronic rear differential that works in conjunction with an updated ESP system. Now, visually, the most obvious changes have been made to the front of the 2025 model. Aston Martin has increased the size of the grille and fitted matrix LED headlamps, not dissimilar to those of the DB12. The sports car also rocks a wider rear bumper, larger tailpipes, and in addition to the standard paint options, can be ordered with one of 3 available liveries. Now, the new model also follows the footsteps of the DB12 with its interior changes. The dashboard has been overhauled and includes a new 10.25-inch infotainment system, complemented by plenty of physical buttons and switches. An 11-speaker 390-watt audio system comes standard, while a 15-speaker 1,170-watt system from Bowers & Wilkins is an option. Now, Aston Martin will start production of the 2025 Vantage this quarter before starting deliveries in Q2. So, with that said, much needed facelift, much needed power boost. What are you guys thinking about the new 2025 Vantage? With that said, drop those comments down below. And if you guys did enjoy the video, guys, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Check the links in the description if you want to help further support the channel, and subscribe or click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.